Welcome back, everyone. You may have some issues with your iPhone where for some reason the volume buttons are just not working. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons, but the first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that your volume buttons even work. If you bought an iPhone and the volume buttons are working, and if it's a brand new iPhone, then you may want to go ahead and just return it, save yourself the trouble. However, if you've been using the iPhone for a while, the first thing I'd recommend doing is to actually just try to go ahead and just kind of click in the volume buttons, just kind of repeatedly, just kind of click them in and out, just like how I'm doing right now, and try to see if you can kind of loosen things up. Maybe there's some dust or something, especially if it's an older iPhone. A lot of dust and dirt and stuff can get stuck in between the volume buttons and everything. So you just want to go ahead and try to go ahead and do that. And if you notice that when you go ahead and kind of unlock your phone and you go and use the volume buttons, you can see my ringer thing is actually going up and down in volume right here. And that's typically a great sign that your volume buttons probably just had some stuff stuck in them. And that's really all you have to do. Now, if that doesn't work, and if you haven't recently dropped your iPhone or you haven't bent it or anything like that, it may also be a software issue. So you can make your way down into your software, into your settings panel here. You can scroll down to General, you can click Software Update, and you just want to see if there's a software update available for your phone. As you can see, I have a download and install update. So all you want to do is make sure you have an update available. And if you do, all you have to do is go ahead and install and download this update. And you should be good to go for the most part sometimes. If it still doesn't work after you update it, you can try, or if there's no update available, you can try restarting your phone. So hold down the volume button. Obviously, the volume button is not going to work. So you can just go and make your way back into your settings panel. You can scroll down and click shut down here. And you can turn on your phone again by clicking the power button. And you want to see if that works. If that still doesn't work and your volume buttons are still not working, you may want to go ahead and just take it into Apple and see if they can fix it, because like I said, it can be a physical, damage, but you can also still temporarily change your volume by scrolling down on the top right or scrolling up if you have a home button iPhone. And this right panel right here, which is the sound panel, if you go in and click the volume up and down, you can go ahead and drag this volume just like this, and that'll go ahead and change the sound and music volume for your iPhone. So if you're playing any songs or anything, that'll go ahead and change it. If you're trying to change your ringtone volume, you go and do this way. But you can also change those in the settings as well by going into your settings, clicking sounds and haptics. And you can change pretty much all your different sounds here too. So those are a couple ways to fix it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.